Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now let's tap on this settings icon. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see under the horizontal level we've got the timer option, so let's tap on it. And here we've got 4 options to choose from. We've got the off option right now activated, and you can say it by this mark, but we can also choose 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick for example 10 seconds delay, so simply tap on the time you want to use. As you can see, it is notified right here, so we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on this device will count down from 10, and after that time it will obviously take a photo. Okay, so let's check another option. Let's find for example maybe 5 seconds, so let's tap on it. In the same situation, it is notified, and tap on the shutter button, and now it is counting down from 5. Now let's turn off the timer. Just tap here and choose the off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.